got two phones.
So I did go ahead and pick up the new Nothing Phone 4a Pro, and as soon as I turned it on, I came to realize I'm addicted to Nothing OS. So very quick channel update for the two people that care. If you didn't know, I started off this YouTube channel going over Nothing OS updates, but since then I did dabble into other things. So I will continue the Nothing Phone content and Android app videos on my new channel, AB3 Phones. So if you're a Nothing fan, then go ahead and subscribe to that new channel if you want those updates. And Nothing OS 4.0 just came out, so let's go ahead and talk about those changes. So we now have depth effect on the wallpaper for our lock screen, and this is only going to work for specific wallpapers, and you do have to do a little finagling to make the depth effect appear. So you can zoom in and out and move around the wallpaper a little bit so that the elements in that wallpaper can overlap with the clock. Talking about the clock, you can now change the sizes of the clock, which is pretty nice because in the last update that clock was a little bit too big for my liking, and you can also change the alignment of the clock from left or center. And they also added some new clock styles, as you see right here. Live notifications now work on Nothing OS. So for apps like Google Maps, so now when you start a navigation and swipe away from the app, you're gonna get a live notification in your notification shade, giving you a live view of your trip. And the live notification is the one on the left. And the animation on the camera punch hold is not part of this update. That's a third-party app called MT Capsule. I'll go over that in another video, but let me just say that app is amazing. So now you can use AI to assign generative ringtones for specific notifications and specific people. So this is going to be good if you want to assign different ringtones and notification sounds for those important or essential notifications for those essential people in your life. And if you don't want to have to go through and pick a different sound for each person, you can just go ahead and use this new generative ringtone and it will do it for you. And with the Nothing Phone 4a Pro or the Nothing Phone 3, you can assign different pictures or animations with the glyph matrix for those essential notifications. And I actually didn't get B-roll for this feature, but that will be coming up in my Nothing Phone 4a review. I just didn't add it here because this is not part of the 4.0 update. If you want to know how to open up apps straight from the lock screen on your Nothing Phone, which is not supported natively with Nothing OS, then click this video right here. If you want more Nothing OS updates, then make sure to subscribe to the new channel, AB3 Phones. All right, I will see you guys next time.